Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite card channel quantifiers again. And in our daily DILR series, we are going to cover a very good DI set today. And before we begin, if you wish to be the part of this, please do what is mentioned over here. Also, I would want to tell you that in the past few days, my phone got formatted. So if you had sent me a text in the past 3 to 4 days, it hasn't passed across to me. It is not received by me. So kindly send it again. So before we begin, like always, this is the special DILR course started for the people who have the fear for DI or they feel like DI is dragging them down. This is the course specifically for them. And if you wish to be the part of this course, you can enroll with the link mentioned in the description. Okay, so let's move ahead. Let's see what we have. So today is our 42nd set of the series. That is a condition-based set, and not a very difficult set, not a very easy set, but yes, a very interesting set. Okay. So the optimum time to do this set is 8 minutes approximately, 8 to 9 minutes. So let's go through the set. What is it? Dangal is a national level wrestling competition who had the top 5 contestants from 9 states. Viz. Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Punjab, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu from 2011 to 15. Okay. The top 5 wrestlers for each year were from the following states: 2011 this 5, 2012 these 5, 2013 these 5, 14 these 5 and 15. These are the top 5 from these 5 years, and there are a total of 9 states. In each year, some prize money is awarded. Some prize money is awarded for first rank, second rank and third rank. First rank gets 5 lakhs, second gets 3 lakhs, third gets 2 lakhs. Okay. Rajasthan is the only state who featured in the top 3 in 2 consecutive years. So Rajasthan is the only state जो लगातार 2 बार आएगी, बाकी सब are discrete and random. Okay. The table below shows the total money. So Andhra Pradesh has won 5. So Andhra Pradesh possibility is 3 plus 2 and 5 plus 0. So these are the 2 possibilities I have to bank upon, and I have to check from data what is given to me. Now let me move to the space where I will arrange everything. What should be my basic structure? That these states, the prize money, whatever it is, Bihar, Gujarat, and the years 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and so on. So I should make a table where I should allocate proper metrics where I can put these values. So let's move to the space now. Let's pick up each state one by one. Okay. I had one constant about Rajasthan. So first, let me see that only. Rajasthan is the only state who has appeared in who has appeared consecutively in top 3. So Rajasthan has won 10. So since Rajasthan has won 10, there is only one possibility. There are 2 possibilities in fact. 5, 3, 2 and 5 and 5. These are the 2 possibilities for Rajasthan. Let me see where is Rajasthan in these boxes. Where is Rajasthan appeared? So Rajasthan is here, but Rajasthan is nowhere else. Since Rajasthan is nowhere else and it is only in 2014 and 15, which means that the score must be 5-5. If score is 5-5, the rank must be 1 and 1. 2014 and 2015, both rank 1. A pretty easy thing to do. So Rajasthan sorted. Now, let us move toward the other thing. Let's say Andhra Pradesh. What is Andhra Pradesh up to? Andhra Pradesh has won 5. And where has Andhra Pradesh appeared? Here and nowhere else. So Andhra Pradesh has only appeared in top 3, top 5 only once in 2011, and the money won is 5, which means Andhra Pradesh topped. So Andhra Pradesh had a rank 1. आंध्र प्रदेश सिर्फ एक ही बार जीता था और 5 पॉइंट जीता था, यानी कि उसका फर्स्ट प्राइज होगा. ठीक है, डन. आंध्र प्रदेश इज आल्सो सॉर्टेड. लेट्स चेक फॉर बिहार. सो बिहार इज अपीयरिंग हियर and here, and Bihar is appearing nowhere else. So Bihar is appearing in 2 years, 2011 and 12. See, Bihar cannot win it like 2 plus 3. Why? Because Rajasthan is the only state which has won it consecutively. Since Bihar has won in 2011 and 12, so it is not possible कि वो यहाँ पे 2 plus 3 जीता हो. So what I have to give? Since it cannot be 1 here, it has to be 1 here. Done. Let's see about Gujarat. Gujarat has won 8. Since Gujarat has won 8, so Gujarat has the possibilities of 3 plus 3 plus 2, or it has a possibility of 5 plus 3. These are the 2 values in which I can allocate Gujarat. So let's see where Gujarat stands. So if I see where is Gujarat appearing, Gujarat is appearing here, and Gujarat is appearing here, Gujarat is appearing here, and Gujarat is not appearing anywhere else, which means Gujarat is in 2011, 12 and 13, and at two places Gujarat has come, and it is not possible that it is 3-3-2 because लगातार 3 बार हो जाएगा, consecutive condition is being violated, so it has to be 5+3. Since it has to be 5+3, and in the first 2 years I cannot give him a 5, I cannot give him a rank 1 because Andhra Pradesh and Bihar have already taken, so it must be first here and second rank here, because at second rank he will be winning a prize money of 3 lakhs. Now this is sorted. Let's talk about Karnataka. Karnataka is 4, so Karnataka is 2+2. The ranking of Karnataka is 3,3. So Karnataka has came 3 twice. And where is Karnataka existing in our chart? Karnataka is here, Karnataka is here, Karnataka is here, and Karnataka is here. Karnataka is in lost. So Karnataka is at any two places from these 4 places, and I have to allocate 3 rank twice. There are multiple possibilities. Let's leave it up to now. For now, let's see Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is 7. Madhya Pradesh is 7, and how is 7 formed? 7 is formed by 3+2+2 or 5+2. See, all the 5 have already been allocated, so 5 is not a possibility. So the only possibility is 3+2+2. 3+2+2 denotes second rank, third rank, and third rank. See, I cannot allocate a second rank here in any case because second rank is taken by Gujarat, and he has 2-3 ranks, so it has to be a 3 here, and then there are 2 possibilities, 13 and 15, so it can either be 2-3 here or can be 2-3 here. Let me sort it later. Let me check what are the feasibilities. लेकिन अभी के लिए तो यही होगा because here it cannot be the second rank. If I talk about Maharashtra, okay, as soon as I write here, I can also sort Karnataka because Karnataka को मैंने 2 बार 3 rank देना है. I have to allocate third rank to Karnataka twice. I cannot give 3 here. I cannot give 3 here. Why? Because इनमें से किसी एक जगह तो 3 आएगा ही आएगा. किसी एक जगह तो 3 आएगा ही आएगा. अगर मैं मान लूँ कि यहाँ 3 है, okay, so अभी possibility हो सकती है. There can be a possibility as of now. Okay. Can I give him a 3 and 3 here? I can. Can I give him a 3 and 3 here and a 2 here? Okay, let's check for the possibility now. Let's also sort Maharashtra and then we will see. Maharashtra has won 6. The only possibility is 3+3. So means Maharashtra has come 3+3 means twice second. 2 बार उसका second rank आया. And where is Maharashtra appearing in these charts? Maharashtra is here. Maharashtra is here. Maharashtra is here. And Maharashtra is here. So Maharashtra has come twice in these 2 places. Okay, Maharashtra has come twice in these 2 places. Okay. What about Punjab? If I see Punjab is 5. Punjab is 3+2 only possibility, which means Punjab has once came third rank and once came second rank. So where is Punjab existing in these charts? So Punjab is not here, not here. Punjab is here, here, and here. This is Punjab. So these are the possibilities for Punjab. So Punjab has to come here and here. These are the only 2 places, which means why? Because it has not. It cannot be consecutive. So it can be again 2-3 here and 2-3 here. These 2 have now this conflict, and I don't think it can be resolved. But one thing is for sure: if 2 is here, 3 is here, and similarly, if 3 is here, 2 is here. Which means that when I am talking about allocating 2 3s to Karnataka, I have to allocate them here only. I cannot allocate it here. क्योंकि पंजाब या मध्य प्रदेश में से किसी एक को मिलेगा. So which mean for Karnataka, 2 3s are appearing here, here, and here. Here are the 2 3s appearing. And for Maharashtra, on the very similar grounds, I have to allocate 2 2s. 2 2s cannot be allocated here because similar conflict. So 2 has to be here and 2 has to be here. So rest, I think I cannot solve it any further because there is no other information given to me to sort this out. So it has to be this only. Is there anything else given to me regarding this? No, nothing regarding this. So I think this is the only thing. Pretty easy and straightforward thing as of now. Okay. So the runner-up 2014 belonged to which state? 2014 runner-up. It is Maharashtra. Okay, some of you or some of the people might get confused that why is it not Karnataka when I'm talking about runner-up only. See, whenever we are talking about runner-up and second runner-up, if I am talking about the second runner-up, I will specifically mention the word second. Okay, even in the football tournaments, we play for third place, fourth place, but when we talk about runner-up, we only think about finals. Okay, so this is specifically mentioned. This has to be. Okay. What was the prize money won by Rajasthan and Punjab in 2015 together? 2015, it is Rajasthan is definitely 5, but Punjab can be either be 3 and 2. So the answer is 999, which is cannot be determined. The top 3 in 2013 top 3 are Gujarat, MP and Punjab. Okay. Because in any case 2 and 3 are allocated between them only. So Maharashtra, Gujarat, MP and Punjab, this is first option. Option number first. Last, the wrestler from Maharashtra was runner-up in. Maharashtra runner-up. Here and here. Okay, so it is 2012 and 14. So these are the two cases we have, and this is the only thing we can sort as of now. So this completes my set. With this, I will finish it up. I hope you guys understood and enjoyed. And again, before we go, if you wish to be part of the series, kindly text me up. And if you wish to join our course and be the part of this legacy, kindly enroll as soon as possible. That is going to start soon. Thank you so much. Have a great day.